It's September 22nd, 10:28 p.m. 6 years together, and it all ended in one night. What this man did when she refused to open that door, you are not ready for. She survived, and she told officers every single detail herself.
1206, you can show all units arrival. Clear the area so everybody else.
It's in the bedroom.
A bat?
No.
No, I know. I'm gonna need to
attention 1204, 34 is
take a look.
1554 Northeast 8th Street, Phoenix Apartment, reference vagrant, blackmail, unknown clothing,
Do me
behind
a
the
favor
office.
like that.
Yeah. 1102.
Do you like that?
What does he look like? He's he got dreads in his head.
White, black, Hispanic.
Huh?
White, black, Hispanic.
2229 Homestead.
White, black,
Oh,
Hispanic.
he's black.
Okay, I'll phone.
I'm 5'4", he might be 5'6".
What you just raised?
Do you know where he lives right now?
Negative.
Stay here with me.
And now
Does he drive a vehicle? Yeah, he's in a black
Negative,
Dodge Four-door.
Is it registered to
2016,
you?
it's his.
It's registered to him?
Yeah,
Okay.
2006 Dodge. Ma'am, you
2016.
have a seat.
Paramedics coming?
Yes, they come. I need you. I know. I need you to have a seat. You got hit in the head pretty good.
Sit down, baby. Sit. Listen here. Okay. We don't want you to faint. So he's a black male, 5'6" in height. How
3104.
much does he weigh, more or less?
He might be 170.
178? Okay.
Just off your face.
What was he wearing?
Plaid shirt,
Green plaid shirt?
bluish checker green pants.
So wait, is it green or is it blue?
It's green, like
Green.
an army green.
So it's camouflage or is green and...
No. Yeah, the camouflage green and a plaid shirt and some green shoes.
So green plaid shirt.
Hold on, man. Were you here when all this happened, or what?
Did you see it happen or no?
Oh, I was running out.
Hey, do you have his name?
6 years old. I can't go through this.
I know. But were you inside when he came in?
I was in the bedroom with her. And before I know it, the door busted in. She just had said he could have busted the door in.
Hold on, Tika, the police is here.
8th Street. 1101, attention 1202, a 349 is Northwest 2nd
What's his
Avenue,
name?
Northwest 8th Street.
Jamie Lane.
Jamie Lane?
On fire.
Common spelling?
Jamie.
Oh, what in fire?
A vehicle.
Okay. Jamie.
Jamie.
Fire,
Lane. What's the date of birth?
Northeast 11th Street.
What's Mr. Lane's date of birth?
August.
Also 2315.
Just don't sit on.
Rose talked. She described every second. He kicked the door down, walked straight to the bedroom, grabbed the bat. She told him to stop. He didn't. And there was a 76-year-old witness in that room who couldn't do anything but watch.
Ma'am, what's your date of birth?
Mine?
Yes. Ma'am, do me a favor. Look at this little pen light for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna advise on me.
Homestead, Maine.
Perfect. What happened, Miss Warren?
We been into it all day today, and he came here, and I didn't open the door, so he kicked the door down. And when he kicked the door down, I was in the room, and he came in there, he said, "Oh, you playing with me?" And I got a bat on the side of my bed, and he just grabbed the bat and hit. And she tried to stop him, then he left out. I kept telling him, "Please stop."
Where did he hit you at? Just in your
In
face?
the head.
Just in the head?
What did he hit you with?
A bat.
A bat.
It's in the
Baseball
bed.
bat?
Yeah, it's in the bed.
Okay.
In the head. That's why I got.
Yeah, I see that. What's a good phone number for you, Miss Warren?
Mine?
Yes. You don't stay here?
Yeah, he was staying here off and on.
Off and on?
Yeah.
Okay, when's the last time he stayed here?
He was here last night.
I know, but does he stay here permanently, or y'all in a relationship?
We're in a relationship.
Okay, what type of relationship? Y'all married, dating?
No, we're not married.
Y'all dating? Y'all just
Just
messing
dating,
around?
like my boyfriend.
How long?
We've been together for quite a while.
Give me a time frame, please.
About 6 years, 7 years.
Any kids together?
No.
Okay.
How you doing?
Sorry.
How you doing? You have a driver's license? ID? Five two three
Yep.
0445.
Yep. Sorry.
Lieutenant Brown. Rescue 65.
He stays here.
And Nicola. 2236 Homestead.
Miss Warren, you know where that bat is? Did he take it with him?
It's in the bed.
Is it on the bed or?
On the bed.
Okay. Stay. Give me.
The bedroom is back there, not that one.
Okay. Just stay right here.
It's dark in there, I cut the light on.
When officers searched the bedroom, the bat was still there, broken in half. He left it behind and walked straight to his black Dodge and disappeared. Within minutes, a bolo went out. Jamie Lane, wanted, gone.
Hey, see if he's got a middle name of Michael. Basically what happened is they've been having a 34 all day. She don't want to let him inside the apartment. He breaks the door down, goes into her room, grabs a bat, and starts on the head with it, broke the bat over her head, and fled. She's got a large amount of swelling to her temple, saying she's dizzy, might have a concussion. Hey, are y'all going to transport her? Yeah. No. You are? Okay. And now she's getting transported. Yeah, she's got lacerations to the side of her head.
Want to find him?
Got a hold scene.
It's the GIU call up?
GIU call up.
You ran it by Sergeant already?
Yep. And spoke to Morris. Man, you going with rescue?
You want to stick a body with her?
Let me just get some information from you, okay? What's your last name? Well, you were inside the house, right? You witnessed it. Okay, and talk to me. What happened? What did you see?
It was so fast because it was dark in there. She told me to come in the room with her, and it was dark in the room. And all I know, I heard the door bust open. When the door busted open, he came in. I'm sick and tired, you ain't open doors for me. I didn't know what he hit her for because I was nervous. I was 70-something years
Here, let's walk and talk. I don't want you getting left behind.
He had, I didn't even know until I saw the bat on the bed. I was like, damn, why you do that? I said, damn, you need to get out of this house.
Okay.
I didn't want to say too much because I'm too old to get beat up.
Now,
She didn't do nothing. She haven't seen her.
I understand, but did you see him hit her or no?
Yeah, I seen him. After I got up, I saw him hit her. He kept swinging at her. He wouldn't stop.
And he was swinging that bat on her head,
Out,
everywhere?
on her head, everywhere.
Okay.
She got pretty good. For the bat. Where's it at? What you guys got?
We're done. There's nobody here.
So who do you have coming out? Shut off in a second.
I believe Morris is coming out here, but he took a detour to
The subject's known, I'm assuming?
Yeah, boyfriend on and off of 6 years.
Roadway Drive, almost 49. That's 2259 Homestead.
That's who's taking the lead, Morse?
Yeah, that's what I called.
1102
No, 1 minute.
409. Homestead.
That's it, buddy. Alright. Send out my email.
He thought leaving the scene meant leaving the evidence behind. He was wrong. Officers had his name, his plates, and a witness who saw everything. The bolo went out before he even made it off the block. Jamie Lane was not getting away with this. Not that night. What do you think should happen to someone who does this to a person they claim to love?